This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cocktail shakers, specifically these Bar Lux Cocktail Shakers. And we have the cobbler style and the Boston style shakers. And in the cobbler style, we have the 24 ounce, which is 8 3/4 by 3 1/4. And you can see it's a 3-piece that allows you to shake and strain all in one. In the Boston style, we have the 24 ounce in the gold plated and the 16 ounce in the mirrored finish. And these are just the shaker and are meant to be used with an actual cup to shake up your creations. So you can see the 16 ounce is 4 inches tall by 3 1/4 inches wide. And the 24 ounce is 6.5 tall by 3.5 inches wide. And all of these Boston style shakers feature weighted bases for increased stability and comfort while shaking. And they're available in the 24 ounce and 16 ounce sizes. And you have the mirrored finish, the gold plated, and also the copper plated finish as options on those. In the cobbler style, you have the 24 ounce size, and it's available in not only the copper plated like you see here, but also gold plated, a brush finish, and a mirrored finish as well. All of these shakers are built to be sturdy and durable for really long lasting use in heavy commercial environments. While they're also easy to clean and rinse out between uses, and they're made to be leak resistant as well, giving you a really great experience as a bartender. It's recommended to hand wash these items in order to maintain the finish, and they all have a wonderful, sleek, and stylish look that's really going to add a sense of refinery to your presentation. So these are fantastic for upgrading the look of your bar setup to really impress your customers or your guests. So these are perfect for bars, lounges, and clubs, to use at restaurants and hotels, or even at catered events, or just if you're looking to upgrade your bar setup at home.